So guys, welcome to my channel. First come to gigabyte.com, www.gigabyte.com, and then you can see here search button in the right hand side. Just write, paste, type your model number of you require the driver B850M Eagle WIFI6E, then hit enter. Click to product. You can see here this is actually different. Click. Then guys, click to support. Select Windows 10 and 11. Audio driver. Click to download. It will start downloading. You can see. After downloaded, just single click, and this is extracted data. Double click. Click to yes. So it will close automatically, means it is done. Chipset. AMD chipset driver. Click to download. After downloading button, then it is start download. Then single click, double click to exe of chipset. Click to yes. See your chipset driver is installing. Then it is done, and then close it. LAN driver. Realtek LAN. Just click to download here. Then click to open. Double click to exe. Yes. So guys, it will close automatically, means this is installed. Bluetooth driver. Click to download. Almost 0.33. Open this and just double click. Then yes. Now this is installing the Bluetooth driver and it is completed. Just close it. VLAN means Wi-Fi driver. You can see this Wi-Fi driver and click to download. Then it is completed. Wi-Fi driver. Just double click to open. Then yes. So guys, this is installed and then close it. So if you see like Windows 10, so might be one driver is missing and BIOS also there. This is version F3. Okay. Thank you.